Hello, second graders. Right now, I want to talk to you about something called time order words. Okay? And events in a true story, if we're writing about events in a true story, they should be told in order. Time order events help readers understand the order of events or the way something happened. So let's take a look at some words here. We have first, then, next, finally, and after. These are examples of some time order words. More examples of time order words would be yesterday, today, this afternoon, and tomorrow. So I want us to think about the story we read earlier today, Teacher's Pet. And if we turn to page 150 in the story here, it says, "But that afternoon all the children had left. There was Red, still sitting on his roost near Miss Fry's desk." So I'm going to read this again, and I want you to think, are there any time order words? Okay, when I read this, listen for some time order words. But that afternoon, after all the children had left, there was Red, still sitting on his roost near Miss Fry's desk. And one of the time order words that we hear is the word afternoon. That afternoon. Excellent. We also have another time order word, after. After all the children had left. Okay? So when we use those time order words, it does help the author's sentence be more clear. So, can you think of a few other time order words that you might use when you're talking about things that happen in your life? Sometimes I will hear second graders say that they get to do something soon. Okay, so you might think of the word soon. Sometimes I will also hear second graders use time order words when they say things like last night. Can you think of any others? Another one we also hear is last. Okay, so those are some examples of some more time order words. So now, what does this have to do with us? We're going to flip this easel around. And when we're writing in second grade, we want to use these time order words. So let's take a look at this sentence here. Okay, here I have the sentence, Lizzie fed her dog. Is there a time order word that we could add to this sentence to make it a little bit more clear about when Lizzie fed her dog? Okay, so I want you to think, can you think of anything that might be a little bit more clear? We could say, first, Lizzie fed her dog. First, Lizzie fed her dog. Now, she does something after she feeds the dog. What does she do? She took him for a walk. We could also put another time order word here. Let me see, what could we say? We could say then she took him for a walk. Then she took him for a walk. We could also say something like next she took him for a walk. So those are some examples of how you can use time order words in your own writing. And now you actually do get to practice writing sentences using time order words by completing the worksheet below on time order words.